How to add your friends on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to add your friends on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open up your app, now go over your contact icon. Once you click on it, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the plus icon. Tap on it. Once you click on it, now click on the add Zangi number. Once your friend provides their Zangi number, just simply copy and paste your number over here. Once you click paste, write their names so that you can recognize their account. Once you write down their name, click on done. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add friends on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.